right, so we are here to check out the brand new, or I should say redesigned Alienware laptops that are going back to the roots with the Area-51 branding, and I'm super excited to check them out. Let's go. Alienware is resurrecting the company's iconic Area-51 branding for its upcoming 16 and 18-inch gaming laptops. As announced during CES 2025, these laptops are all about delivering power and performance in an otherworldly design. The company claims that, like the new Area-51 desktop, these laptops seek to offer a quote-unquote preeminent gaming experience. The Alienware laptops certainly look otherworldly thanks to their new liquid teal finish on anodized aluminum that gives them a dark iridescent sheen that shifts colors when light is absorbed. The translucent thermal shelf on the back is illuminated by alien effects lighting animations meant to imitate the motions of the aurora borealis. The alien-like design doesn't stop there. The clear Gorilla Glass window on the laptop's underside lets you see the machine's internal components, while the RGB fans cast an underglow through this clear window and up through the keyboard deck. There's even an aurora lighting effect that serves as a boot-up animation at startup. We won't know how powerful these laptops are until we've tested them, but Alienware is promising some serious next-gen performance. Area-51 laptops have 280 watts of total package power on Nvidia RTX 50 series laptop GPUs and up to an Intel Core Ultra 9 CPU. When combined with Microsoft Direct Storage technology, the GPU can directly access SSDs to help make games run faster. You'll be able to upgrade up to 12 terabytes of SSD storage, which is more than enough to store all your favorite games, apps, videos, and more. The Area-51 Alienware laptops will be available in the first quarter of 2025 with select configurations. Expect additional configurations to arrive later, including the entry configuration. The launch configuration will cost $31.99, while the upcoming entry-level configuration will cost a more reasonable $19.99. The new Alienware laptops are really cool. I really love the redesign. Has that otherworldliness, but still kind of low-key. But I want to know what you guys have to say, so let me know in the comments below. For more of our CS coverage, make sure you follow us on social @TomsGuy, and make sure to head over to tomsguy.com for everything CES 2025. Once again, I was Tony Polanco, and I'll see you next time. Later.